Now let's see how to do square neckline finishing. Okay, for this one, inside cut to cut, how to stick canvas, how to do finishing and all before classes already we saw. Okay, if you want you can refer again. Okay, inside we have to do cut to cut and outside we are taking a margin of 0.5 inches. Fold this one and stitch it first. Now place right side and right side. Okay, right side of the main fabric and right side of the neck finishing part. Place it and stitch for the half inch. Now we'll do small corner cuts. Now take top stitch.